Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Quietcarry Drift here with me for a quick maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like this video. And you know what? If you're in a good mood, you can even think to subscribe to the channel because it's going to be fantastic. So let's try to improve the action of this little fella. Want to thank my buddy Blair for sending this guy in. So I'm able to take it apart, share my impressions with you. It's going to be fun. So let's get started. This guy has 2 handle screws and just 1 pivot screw. Let's see this guy we can tackle from this side. And that's it. So this guy is coming out nicely. And that's the second screw right over there. So this is 1. And probably, yeah, this is going to be fun to put back. So maybe let's just, yeah, there you go. So that goes there. And here you got your pivot screw that is here. And then just keep it pinched and then just lift that scale and then just remove gently and carefully the blade. And we are in business. A nice set of washers going on. That's 1. And I'm gonna take a little bit of a microfiber cloth. This is the other screw that just came out. There is quite some thick grease actually here. So pivot is keyed in. We can just clean that off. And this also nice and clean. Clean this washers. We're gonna use a little bit lighter weight lubricant for these washers. And you can see some skeletonization going on to save weight. It's nice to see that. I'm not a fan of the wire clip like that. You see the screw is holding in place the clip as well. You clean tang of the blade. Blade stock, by the way, super thin, super slicey one. Really cool. So let's start, okay, from this side. Yeah, don't lose the backspacer. And let's start from this side over here. Nice and keyed in screws for the backspacer. Actually, it goes on the other side, like that. Or like that. That's more like it. Okay, cool. Let's do the keyed in pivot. We said it's on this side, correct? Let's clean a little bit the inside of the pivot. Very good. So this side goes like so. And we have it in place so it doesn't rotate. We can also do this side in as well, like that, and like that. So everything is in place. Let's do this washer here, and I'm gonna do 3 drops of 10 weight, and then the blade in, and then another 3 drops like so. I'll use 85 weight for the detent ball like that, and the other washer, sorry, it's there. Then let's start with this because I feel that this is going to be fun to put back. So yeah, so that has to go in. So let's do this. So this guy can come off, right? Yeah, so let's just do like by the book. So you basically do this and you have this guy squeezed in like so. So you hold that. So this guy goes in like that and you have the screw in place like so. And then you can just place the scale right over here, and just screw that in, so that's in place. Let's do the handle also, the second handle screw in place like so. Don't over tighten anything, like that. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of blue Loctite, just a tiny bit, just like that, to coat the thread, and then just put that in position, release the tension here, and that's in way too tight. So let's double check the screws for the handle. That's looks like better. Don't over tighten anything. So let's try to loosen that up. All right, so let's just tighten this guy until the blade gets to the centered position. Very nice. Nice and smooth, guys. Snappy. There's no guillotine effect or free fall or whatsoever any. Yeah, but it's good. It's the nature of these washers. Pretty thick, but it's smooth, guys. Blade is centered. No blade play. It's looking very, very good. Nice and snappy action. Spidey flicks. Thumb flicks. Two hands. Yes, that's a pretty cool one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.